Hello everyone! Kumusta po? Today is June 27 and the update for today will talk about the vaccination proof. No, being fully vaccinated or having a vaccination proof means that there will be no quarantine upon arrival. If you have a booster, then no need to show pre-departure test. So it's really important, that vaccination proof. Now, I want to start this update with the experience of Gwen's friend po. Gwen is one of our subscribers. Hello, Gwen, if you're watching. She sent this to me just last week. Hi, Miss Jen. This is in Filipino. I'll just translate in English after. Hi, Miss Jen. Yung friend ko pa uwi ng Pinas ngayon, hindi siya pinaalis, wala siyang yellow card, pero meron siyang vaccine certificate from our country in Norway. Nakalagay po sa website ng Philippines, any vaccine certificate pwede, di ba? Ngayon, sobrang stress ng friend ko, maraming Filipino ang hindi nakuha ang flight ngayon Norway to Dubai, Dubai to Clark. Please help po. Friend ko, sobrang mahal ng ticket tapos ganyan pa nangyari sa kanya. Sobrang nakaka-stress. So, her friend, Gwen's friend, was supposed to fly with Emirates Airlines. But, the airline crew, upon check-in, would not let her board the flight, would not issue her boarding pass because she didn't have a yellow card. Her friend was vaccinated in Norway, and she has a vaccination certificate issued by the government of Norway. Is Norway in the reciprocity list? You guys remember that this list, these are the countries whose vaccination proof are accepted in the Philippines. Is Norway there? No, Norway is not there. But this list does not matter. Why? First, the traveler is a Filipino. So even before, as long as you're a Filipino, whatever vaccination proof you have of whatever countries will be accepted. Second, and the most important thing, a yellow card is no longer required. Even if your country is not on this list, yellow card is no longer needed, guys. Because since May 30, when the Iatf issued Iatf Resolution 168, it states there the accepted proof of vaccination po. First, yellow card. Second, VaxCert. And third, listen up, national or state manual or digital vaccination certificate of the country or foreign government, which the friend of Gwen has. Vaccination certificate issued by the government of Norway. So whoever was the airline crew assigned upon check-in was wrong. Mali po yung ginawa ng airline crew. And this is not surprising. Guys, airline crew, mga airline staff, they make mistakes too. They deal with a lot of countries' rules. Siguro hindi sila updated. Yun nga. And actually, if you look at the Emirates Airlines website, updated naman po sila that they will accept the vaccination certificate of any foreign government. So it was actually just the mistake of that crew who was assigned upon check-in on that day. So I just want to be clear, guys. This was also something na hindi ko napansin when Iatf Reso 168 was issued. That's why I'm telling everyone, whatever vaccination certificate of a government-issued vaccination certificate you have, that is accepted po. No need to secure the WHO yellow card. Again, this was also shared by the Philippine Consulate General in Los Angeles. All official national certificates of vaccinations will be accepted. Mutual recognition or reciprocity of vaccination certificates is no longer required. Again, no need to secure that yellow card or WHO ICV because national certificates are accepted in the Philippines. Please spread that to anyone who's worried. If you remember, if you heard of it before, there were a group, we talked about it, a group of Saudi nationals who were denied boarding. Some were excluded in the country because their vaccination proof was not accepted. That was long ago po. Again, whatever vaccination certificate government issued will be accepted. For the vaccination proof to be accepted, it should have your complete name, and then first dose, brand of vaccine, the date when it was administered, date po kung kailan kayo na first dose, and then second dose, brand of vaccine, and date. Then kung may booster, it should also be there. It can either be in a different certificate or in the same certificate. Okay lang po yan. And again, of course, it also have your complete name that should match your passport. I've heard some travelers, Jennifer, my passport name and the name on my vaccination proof are different. Then you just bring the supporting documents. Why is it different? This is common among Filipinos or people who are married. They're carrying their married names na in their vaccination proof, then just bring your marriage certificate. And you just have to tell BOQ about it. Yun lang po. To Gwen's friend, I suggested to file a complaint with the management of the airline because they were wrong for refusing those Filipinos from boarding their flights. Their Norway vaccination certificates should have been accepted. And even if they didn't have vaccination proof, they should have been allowed. Again, unvaccinated Filipinos are allowed to enter the Philippines. It is only unvaccinated foreign nationals who are restricted. But if you're a Filipino, kahit pa wala kang bakuna, pwede ka pong umuwi, magka-quarantine ka lang upon arrival. So now let's do a quick recap on the entry requirements for the Philippines. For adults who are 18 years old and above, if you are fully vaccinated with booster, no need to show a negative test result, no quarantine upon arrival, the only thing you need is one health pass. While for fully vaccinated adults without booster, bring your negative test result. Remember, it's either RT-PCR 48 hours or antigen 24 hours. And then one health pass registration. For those without booster, register to one health pass after you receive your negative test result. Next up is for unvaccinated or partially vaccinated Filipinos. A negative test result po, one health pass, and then again, quarantine upon arrival, 5 to 6 days. Kung OWA, libre yung hotel. Kung hindi OFW, sariling gasto. So, kailangan mo ng pre-book quarantine hotel if you are not an OFW. While for teenagers 12 to 17 years old, if they have a booster or if they are fully vaccinated, no need to show negative test result. They just have to register to one health pass. While the teenagers who are 12 to 17 years old who are unvaccinated or partially vaccinated will quarantine upon arrival. Next up is children 11 years old po and below. Pre-departure test will follow the status of their accompanying parent or guardian. So for example, if you're a family, for example, the mother is fully vaccinated with booster. The father is fully vaccinated without booster. So, who will be followed? Sino yung susundin ng bata? Will it be the status of the mother or the father? They can follow the status of the mother. Ayan. While children 3 years old and below are totally exempted from pre-departure testing as long as they have no symptoms. One health pass is required for all passengers, including babies. Please register your children. This is per individual basis. And then, quarantine upon arrival, they will just follow the status of the accompanying parent or guardian. And that is about it. Remember, foreign tourists, you also need a return ticket. If you're coming as visa-free, return ticket of not more than 30 days or an exit ticket. And then for balikbayans, just bring your old Philippine passport or birth certificate po if you have it. And that is all about travel to the Philippines, the updates as of June 27. I will actually make a video about travel requirements per country po. So if you ever have landed na in your countries and you want to share your experience, comment down below. I may add it on our next update. So God bless you all. Stay safe po. And I hope this video helped. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Bye.